Number 1. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000, well-preserved classic truck with only 52,000 original miles, making it a rare find for its age. It is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and a comfortable driving experience. The truck features a gray exterior matched with a gray interior, both of which remain in very good condition, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The vehicle comes with a clean Carfax report showing no accident history, and it runs and drives great with no known issues. The paint still looks nice and presents well, while the interior has been well maintained and kept clean, showing minimal wear for a 1988 model. In addition, the truck is equipped with excellent tires, adding to its road-ready condition. Number 2. 1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,000, equipped with a reliable 5.7L gasoline engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission, showing 112,800 original miles. The truck features a brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior and is configured as a 2WD. A fresh and complete tune-up has recently been performed, ensuring smooth and dependable performance. The truck sits on centerline aluminum wheels wrapped in brand new Nitto tires on all four corners, providing a solid and confident ride. It is also equipped with a new stereo system and upgraded lighting, including Oxbeam Q40 high and low beam bulbs for improved visibility. A paint-matched camper shell is included, adding both functionality and a clean, cohesive look. Number 3. 2000 Dodge Dakota, price $7,700. The truck has covered 213,000 miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a strong and reliable 4.7L V8 engine, delivering smooth performance both on and off the road. Equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain, it is well suited for a variety of driving conditions, whether for daily use, light off-road driving, or towing. The exterior is finished in classic white and is complemented by a clean gray interior, giving the truck a timeless and well-kept appearance. It runs and drives like new, a clear indication of careful ownership and regular maintenance. Riding on quality Michelin tires, this Dakota also includes a factory tow package, dual exhaust, and all-weather floor mats, adding both functionality and comfort. Powered by gasoline, the truck has recently passed a full North Carolina inspection and comes with a clean title. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It has a clean and clear title and shows 111,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and has a red exterior with a gray interior. The truck is powered by a freshly built 30/454 big block with a mild street cam, paired with a newly built TCI Street/Strip 700R4 reverse pattern automatic transmission with a Loker floor shifter and large transmission cooler. With less than 500 miles on both since rebuilt, it is lowered 4/6 with a frame notch, rides on fooswheels, and includes leather Jetta bucket seats, a Kenwood radio, and two 10-inch JL audio subwoofers with a 600-watt kicker amplifier. The truck only needs minor finishing items, including a wiper switch and VSS wiring for the speedometer. Number 5. 1990 Nissan D21, price $6,500. It is equipped with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. This vehicle is an original Florida truck and comes with a clean Florida title in hand. The body is in very clean condition with zero dents, and the interior has been well maintained. It retains many original components, including the OEM radio and OEM floor mats. Notably, the truck also comes with the original window sticker, build booklet, and sales order, which are rare and desirable documents for a vehicle of this age. The truck is fitted with new tires and is equipped with both air conditioning and heating, all in working condition. The only noted drawback is that a small piece of the speedometer needle is missing. Aside from this minor issue, the truck remains in very good and original condition. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000. It has approximately 250,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a distinctive orange exterior combined with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives well, showing its reliability despite its mileage. It has zero rust and newer paint, giving it a clean and well-maintained appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small block engine paired with a TH400 transmission, a well-known and durable drivetrain combination. While it could benefit from a thorough tune-up to perform at its best, overall this Chevrolet 3500 remains a solid, dependable truck with strong mechanical fundamentals.
Number 7.
1981 Ford F100, price $6,000. This truck is powered by a V8 engine and has accumulated approximately 190,000 miles.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior.
Structurally, it remains solid and well preserved, showing only a few rust spots consistent with its age.
The electrical system and brakes are in very good working condition, and it comes fitted with new tires. The carburetor has recently been serviced and is in excellent condition, ensuring reliable performance. Overall, everything functions properly, and for a vehicle of its age, this Ford F100 is in very good condition, making it a great candidate for restoration.
Number 8. 1992 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,400, with 204,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by the original 350 cubic inch engine. The vehicle is currently not running due to a blown engine, suspected to be caused by a head gasket failure. Despite this, the truck remains 100% original and is in very good overall condition. The body and frame are clean, making it an excellent candidate for a full restoration or an engine swap project. All factory options are present, and all components function properly, including the brakes, which work and stop well.
Number 9.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, well-maintained truck in good condition both inside and out. It has traveled 175,000 miles and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth driving performance. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and cohesive look. Additional features include power windows and power locks, enhancing convenience for the driver.
It runs and drives great, showing its durability even after years of use.
With a clean title and its solid build, the Chevrolet 1500 remains a dependable pickup for daily driving, work, or weekend adventures.
Number 10.
1978 Ford F150, price $7,800. It features a 5.0 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable performance.
The truck comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and it runs on gasoline.
Original power steering and power brakes make driving effortless, while the true dual exhaust adds a touch of classic performance. Most of the truck remains original, except for the wheels. However, the original wheels with hubcaps are available if preferred, and the seller is willing to adjust the price accordingly.
The vehicle boasts beautiful patina, with all original paint intact.
The heater is fully functional, and while the air conditioning system is complete, it currently lacks a belt and may require some attention.
Like many trucks of its era, there are small areas of rust, adding to its vintage charm.